Hello guys and welcome back to another video. I know it's been a long time, but today we have an unboxing. Yes, a huge unboxing with 3 models. Let's get into it. So let's begin with the smallest model. It is the Frontier 737-300 from Dragonwings. The box is the same on each side, and then we got this. I got this from eBay, a seller named Waffle Collectibles for about $25. It was really cheap. Oh yeah, and the box opens from the top instead of the sides. That's how Dragonwings does their stuff. Alright, wow, this looks like a stand. Oh, it comes with a free stand. Nice work. And then, what the heck is this? This is some sort of instructions for the landing gear. Alright. And the model itself is over here. Let's get this open. Oh, nice. Wow. Check this out, guys. This looks really nice. Now, yeah, I am right. The fuselage is metal while everything else is plastic. But still, it is very detailed. And should I mention, they have extra landing gear too. So, after a lot of struggle that should not be shown on camera, I have put together the stand, and let's put this on to give like the final view of this. All right, it looks decent. All right, we have the cockpit windows over here and some sort of green square. We have the Frontier logo and then titles, the Spirit of the West. And then the door and the windows going all the way. The engines surprisingly have safety markings. I didn't expect that, but it's amazing. Moving on, we have the registration, November 305 Foxtrot Alpha, and then the back door or the L2 boarding door. And then let's just take a moment to appreciate this beautiful tail. Frontier, I love their tails so much. This is some sort of fox or a lion or a cat or something like that. I should also mention there's another drawing or a picture on the other side, but I don't know, I'm not too sure. I think it's some sort of leopard or tiger or something. One thing that is cool about Dragonwings is that you can remove the landing gear and then you can display it in flight. How cool is that? In the end, this is an amazing model and I would 100% recommend you getting it. Indeed, Dragonwings really surprised me with their level of detail. All right, the next model is the America West Gemini Jets Boeing 757-200 in the beautiful Nevada livery, as you can see. This is actually exclusively made for America West. I believe this was sold on board America West flights. On the back, you got the giant America West logo, and then if you flip it open, another giant America West logo, and the model inside. Okay, let's see how this is done. Oh my god, you got this foam piece that Gemini just used to put in their models, and oh my god, you got the nose piece, and then oh my goodness, this model is amazing. All right, let's do this review handheld here because I couldn't figure out a good setup for the stand. We got the cockpit windows, and then underneath the City of Las Vegas titles, L1 boarding door, and then the Nevada titles, which looks really nice and sleek. Then you got the America West logo and the engine with the star, and then this little ribbon going around saying Battle Born. And then the registration, November 915 Alpha Whiskey. And then the Nevada tail, you got the star, Nevada titles, and some sort of flowers, that represents Nevada, of course. Moving on to the final model, the big boy. Oh my god, the American 777-200 in the chrome livery from Gemini Jets. This is the first ever release of an American 777 back in 2000. Wow, this was released in the year 2000. The box is a bit damaged, but I don't care. This model is amazing. I actually won this in an auction, and it is the cheapest of the bunch. I got this only for $20. Amazing. This seller on eBay called Waffle Collectibles. Now, old Gemini Jets boxes were quite complex. You got the logo, you got all this stuff, 777-200, the photo, the airline logo again. It was very complex. Also on the back, it had just too much information. But still, I love it. It's amazing. You got all of the information and stuff like that. And if you flip it open, look at the yellowness of the plastic. It's almost orange. That's how old this model is. So let's get this unboxed. Oh my god, this box is yellow. This is yellow. This is orange. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Yeah, we got the foam piece. Oh my god. And then the nose piece, and look at this mammoth. Right, check this out, guys. This is amazing. I love the American chrome livery. Now, if you know me and you know my collection and you follow me on Instagram, I have a Swiss airport. These three models that I've unboxed are definitely not for a Swiss airport and definitely not for current times. But I am beginning an American airport, hopefully, which is based from the year 1990 to 2010. So I'm just, gathering up everything. And I'm going to get every single American chrome livery on the market in 1-400. And this is just the start. Look at this baby, this 777-200, my favorite type of 777. Okay, we got the cockpit windows, and then the beautiful cheat line going on, the American titles, and of course the shining chrome. You got some gray engines with some safety markings, and the cheat line continues to the emergency exit, L2 boarding door, and then, oh my god, the beautiful American tail with the AA logos. This is just amazing. In the end, I would like to thank you for watching, and if you've made it this far, it means you're really interested in this type of content, so please consider subscribing to my channel. Let's get to 100 subscribers. These models are amazing. I got them for really cheap off of eBay, and delivery was really quick. I would like to give a shout out to Waffle Collectibles. He is amazing. I would like to thank him. So yeah, subscribe, comment, like, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.